Hi, buddy. Do some sweeping.
Yes, son.
Dada.
Yeah.
He
You are a
says,
good
help.
sweeper.
Dada.
I'm trying to record you sweeping. Oh, he wants me to move. You want me to come sit over here?
Yep. He says, sit down, mother.
Sit down. I'm going to sweep for you. Is this my Mother's Day?
Show us how you sweep so good. Thank you.
Oh,
Whoa,
he almost hit me.
Careful.
No, no.
No.